In the blink of an eye, the workplace has transformed. Yes, from the Industrial Revolution's smoky factories to the bright, open-plan offices of the 21st century, and now, the virtual spaces of the digital age, the evolution of the workplace has been nothing short of dramatic. Each era bringing with it revolutionary changes that have shaped how we work, live, and interact. The Industrial Revolution, kicking off in the late 18th century, marked the beginning of this metamorphosis. Workers transitioned from agriculture to factory work, trading open fields for smoke-filled factories. It was a time of steam, steel, and sweat, where the focus was on mass production and efficiency. The early 20th century saw a shift from factories to offices, as white-collar jobs started to dominate. The Roaring Twenties introduced the concept of the office space, with typewriters clacking and telephones ringing. This era was defined by skyscrapers filled with rows of desks, where employees were seen as part of a machine, each performing their specific role in the grand scheme of operations. As we moved into the mid-20th century, the workplace began to change again. The advent of computers and the rise of the information age saw cubicles replacing rows of desks. Offices became quieter, more insulated spaces, with each employee in their own little world, separated by thin walls. The turn of the 21st century marked another significant shift. The open-plan office came into vogue, designed to foster collaboration and communication. Gone were the cubicles, replaced by shared desks and communal spaces. It was a time of innovation and creativity, where ideas were as important as the work itself. And now we find ourselves in the digital age. The concept of the workplace has been redefined once again. With the rise of remote work and the proliferation of digital tools, the office has become a virtual space. The world is now our office, and we carry it in our pockets, on our laptops, and in the cloud. So, what have we learned? The evolution of the workplace is a reflection of societal changes and technological advancements. From factories to virtual spaces, each era has brought new challenges and opportunities. Each change a step forward in the way we work and communicate. The key takeaway: change is the only constant in the evolution of the workplace. As we move forward, we must adapt, innovate, and embrace the changes that come our way. For the workplace of the future is not a distant concept, but a reality that is being shaped right here and right now. In the grand scheme of things, the workplace has come a long way, and yet the journey is far from over. The future of work is still being written, with every innovation, every change, and every challenge. And as we continue to evolve, one can only wonder, what will the workplace look like in the next decade, the next century? Only time will tell.